Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn how to get Python installed on our computer. In order to use Python, you have to download and install two things. Number one, Python package. Number two, PyCharm IDE. So let's get started. First of all, I will open Google Chrome. You can use any internet browsers, it's not a problem. I will go to python.org. Once the page is loaded, I will choose download, then I will click on Windows. I will scroll down to find the executable file. In this course, we are going to use Python 3.6. That's it. So I will select Windows x86 64 executable installer. If you use a machine with 32-bit only, you have to select the one with x86 only. Once it's downloaded, you can open it from the browser, or you can go to the directory and open this file. First of all, you have to select this option, add Python 3.6 to the path, then select install now. This will install Python in your machine. Click on close right now. The setup was successful. Now to make sure that everything went okay, go to start menu, select command prompt, open, and here you have to say Python -- version. Then click enter. If you find Python 3.6.8, this means that Python was successfully installed in your machine and you are ready to use Python. If you type Python, this will open Python interpreter in the command prompt. So you can type here some Python command if you want to try. Ctrl Z will exit from this interpreter. Now let's install PyCharm. Again, I will open the internet browser. I will type JetBrains PyCharm. JetBrains is the company that developed PyCharm. I will go to download page. You can find that I have two versions, professional and community. I will select community version because it's free and you don't have to pay anything to use. Once the file is downloaded, go to the downloads folder and open the file. Now select next. Here again next, select this option, which is create desktop shortcut, and also add launcher directory to path, add open folder and create association, and then next install. Installing will start directly. Once it's completed, it will ask you to reboot your device or not, so you can choose to reboot later on, it's not a problem. Finish, and then you will find PyCharm on your desktop. Double click to open the program. Here, if you have already installed this, so we don't have anything installed, so I will continue. Here, I will choose which theme I want to use. So I want dark theme or light theme, it's up to you. In my case, I will choose light, for example. Then next. After I select next here, I will choose if I want to add any plugin to this environment. So now I don't want to add anything. I will select start using PyCharm. This will take some time until it loads the program for the first time, and that's it. Thank you very much for your time and see you again later.